Well, we had some drizzle this morning and we had also some fog, and that's because those dew points were pretty close to our temperatures, but they've now started to fall. We see around 52 degrees, so things are starting to be more comfortable, along with our temperatures being a little cooler than they were. Look at dew points all across the board. Most of us are sitting in that middle to even lower 50-degree range, and we're going to continue to stay that way until we head to the rest of the night. But for now, we're going to enjoy the nice quiet weather that we're seeing, and you can even see the couple of green blimps that we saw a little bit earlier. This was some of that drizzle that we saw appearing there in Rockford, and you can see now we're still pretty quiet, but watch what happens as we head a little bit further west. Here's that cluster of thunderstorms that we're going to be seeing later into the night, and this is going to be bringing us that chance for even more rainfall than from what we saw yesterday. So why? We're going to be having a watch and a warning in effect for flash flooding once again, mainly below I-88. This is due to the saturated grounds that we already saw, so this makes flash flooding even possible to be a lot easier. So these strong storms could be producing up to 1 inch of rainfall per hour, so this is not good for those areas that saw a good soaking yesterday. For 24-hour rain totals, we didn't really pick up much rainfall over the last 24 hours. It looks like you can even see there in Rochelle near 1/4 inch of rainfall in the Rockford region, and even Freeport didn't really even pick up more than 1/10 inch of rainfall. But with all the rain that we've already seen, and this is mainly just looking at the Rockford totals, all the rainfall we've usually seen, overall for September, we're mainly around 3 inches of rainfall, but we're already getting very close to that 9-inch mark. This is near 5 inches above where we should be. This right here is not what we want to see, especially with more rain coming. The ground can't really pick up more rain at all. So let's just take a look at when that rain is going to be coming in for the next couple of hours. So we're still going to have a pretty quiet evening. Things aren't going to be bad. It looks like we're still going to have some clouds just building before we get that rain into the night. And then around 11 o'clock to even midnight, that's where we're going to be seeing that rain starting to move in scattered activity. But then a big mess of rain just comes in around that 4 o'clock time frame and then stays all throughout the morning on Sunday. And we're going to continue to see that rain lasting throughout parts of Sunday before then we see some cloud coverage coming then by the evening, but we're not going to rule out the chance for some rain. Some small spots starting to pop up on the map a little bit. This is what the future rainfall is going to be looking like. This is why they're going to be putting out that watch. It's because all this rain that we could potentially be seeing very scattered throughout the area. This is not exact totals. These are just estimates of what we could be seeing with those heavier rain showers that are going to be moving through the area. But watch what happens after the showers move in. We're going to have a front that's going to be coming into the area, and this is going to be raising our dew points, and then we're going to be having a very muggy Sunday evening and even heading into parts of Monday as well. Overall for tonight, 55 degrees, mostly cloudy, scattered thunderstorms late, and then for tomorrow, we're going to be having some temperatures around 70 degrees. Those morning storms are going to be sticking around, and then it's going to be a bit warmer than what we're going to be seeing. So 7-day is showing that we have a chance for rain all the way into Sunday and even leading into the midweek. But then look what happens on Friday. We get that nice weather that's going to be changing more like fall. Let's send it over to Lauren at the desk.
Thanks, Tommy. Friday's